This is the largest of the wildfires burning in California. The car fire leapt over the Sacramento River into the northern city of Redding. It's reduced more than 500 homes in its path to smouldering shells, including a house on the edge of town belonging to Ed and Melody Bledsoe. She was home with her 2 great-grandchildren when the fire swept through. A family friend says he was on the phone with her when she started screaming. The fire was getting closer. Then the line went dead.
We weren't told we were in danger. This was like you see in the movies with tornadoes. I mean, one minute it's fine, the next minute everybody's screaming. Everybody else made it. But when you have a 70-year-old woman in poor health that can't go sprinting down the road like an NFL linebacker, you know, and you have 2 small children, a 5-year-old, 4-year-old.
The wildfire has scorched about 325 square kilometres, leaving very little in its wake. This small village called Keswick has been almost reduced to ash.
It's burning in every direction all at the same time. And we've got, even though we have multiple resources, the way that it's burning, the intensity that's burning, uphill, downhill, even if it doesn't have a strong wind on it, it's burning as if it's got a Santa Ana wind or a strong 60-mile-an-hour, 70-mile-an-hour wind.
Experts say this is the worst start to the fire season in a decade, with 4 other infernos burning elsewhere in the state. Thousands of firefighters are working non-stop to try to contain them. But strong winds, years of drought, and searing temperatures mean they're fighting tinderbox conditions. Arabella Munro, TRT World.